We live in a world that constantly tells us to run. Run after money. Run after status. We stress about bills. We worry about the future, and we fear poverty. But let me ask you, who is feeding the birds in the sky? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave us the most beautiful example of tawakkul. He said, if you relied on Allah with true reliance, He would provide for you as He provides for the birds. They go out in the morning with empty stomachs and return in the evening full. Your rizq, your provision, was written for you 50,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth. Just like your death will find you, your rizq will find you. It is chasing you. You don't need to lose your dignity or your peace of mind chasing it. Yes, work hard, tie your camel, but let your heart rest. Don't carry the weight of the outcome on your shoulders. The outcome belongs to Allah. If a door closes, it's because it didn't lead to your rizq. A better door is waiting. So the next time you feel anxious about your future, remember the birds. They don't have savings accounts, yet they never starve. Trust Al-Razaq, the provider. O Allah, make us sufficient with what you have provided, and bless us in it.